Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Loom, and it's pretty awesome tool to record your screen. Or if you are a creator, then you can use this Loom screen recorder that will help you to make some video or make screen recorder. So it's pretty cool thing. So it is also powered by AI, so you can use the power of AI that actually help you in many things. So you can manage your video, you can manage your personal details. So let's dive into the details. So first you have to go to the loom.com, and then you can find this web page, and this is actually the official page of Loom. So from here you can simply click on Loom, get Loom for free. So or you can find this button here, so you can simply click on it, and you have to log into your account using your Google account, or you can use your email address, and you can use a custom password. So here you can see I have just accepted their terms and conditions, and from here you can find that something that it showing their tutorials, and simply click on next. Now let's set up our profile. So how are you planning to use Loom? For work, for education, or for personal projects? I'm going to select the for work. Now simply select the type of work that you are doing. So like anything, for example, design or product, then simply click on continue. Then after selecting the category, you have to just name your workspace. So I'm going to name that workspace here, and then invite your teammate. So you can invite your teammate if you have so with your email address, so they can actually access your workspace and you all can work together. So I'm going to skip that for now, and here you can set up meeting recordings. So if you want to get into meeting with your clients or your teammate or any other person, so you can get connected with your calendar, or you can use your Outlook calendar, but I'm going to skip it also. Now from here it will ask you to install the Chrome extension or the desktop application. So you can download that application, so you can use it without any hassle, and or you can access it. Actually the most interesting thing of this desktop app that you can access it offline. And also if you are want to save your storage and you want easy access, then you can install the Google Chrome extension. So I'm going to install this extension, or if you want to download it, then it's pretty simple. So here is the instruction how you can install the Chrome extension. You don't need to do so much thing. You have to go to the web store, and you have to simply click on add to Chrome, and you have to give the permission that add extension. Now you have to wait until it download the extension file. So here you can see it has just installed that Loom recorder here, so screen recorder. Now you can upgrade it to the premium version, so you can experience some premium features on Loom. So I'm going to simply next get started. Yes, and here you can see start your Loom journey. Here is the 5 easy steps to become a Loom pro. So it will show you the how you can actually become a pro through using Loom. Here is record your first Loom. You can record your first Loom video here, or you can share with your teammate. You can set up meeting recordings, and you can invite your teammates that we have skipped earlier in this video. Now here is feed section where you can find some tutorials and so from some experts, so you can get help from them. It's pretty cool thing about Loom. So from here you can go to the home. This is actually your home page where you can get all of your videos, all of your teammate at one place. Now let's see its meeting. So you can find your all meeting listed here, and this is actually the notifications, and here is the settings. So here is settings about workspace. So you can make settings about your workspace, like you can name your workspace, you can upload a logo, you can add new membership like creator light membership only, or creator light membership. Actually I don't know about that thing. What is actually this is I think you can have this default here. Also you can embed your Loom with Slack, and it is pretty much cool thing. So you can actually connect your Slack workspace with your Loom, so you can actually control, you can get a full control on your project, and it will make your projects much easier to access, and you can plan for your projects by Slack. Then something here, and this plan and building here, the members, how many members you have, like you have admin here, how many creators you have, how many creator lights you have, the insights about all of videos that you get reach, how many views you get, how many active users on your organization. Then here is appearance here, so you can set the appearance, like you can pick a color from here, change video player color, so you can change the video player color here. You can add a logo to video player, so you can add your own logo, so accept this Loom logo here, then hide the Loom branding if you want to hide that Loom branding. So you can simply click on that and simply click on save. So it will help you to hide that Loom branding. So if in any video it's showing the Loom branding, so it will look annoying. So this is a cool thing, so don't forget to make this setting here. Then here is Loom AI. So it is pretty much cool thing that you can increase your work speed with AI and also the quality with AI. So here keep AI on for all users in your workspace. So you can turn on it, and here is your workspace here. So from here you can add video or anything like this, and I'm going to use this Loom browser extension right now. You can simply click on it, and here you can see allow visit, yes, allow everything, the microphone, camera. So I don't have any camera right now, like webcam right now. So here you can simply go to the window and you can capture only this window, or you can capture full screen here. So it will capture full screen, so you can do anything on your screen and it will capture that. Then you can make it on camera only if you are if you are doing any face, if you want to appear with your face and you are showing your face and a tutorial and giving a presentation. So here you can find the effects here, so you can find some effects that actually detected if you select blur, so it will just make blur but by itself. So you can make a blur here, so you can make blur, so it will just like this. It will actually capture the texture by the power of AI. So AI will actually capture that obstacles, the texture, so you can make it blur on that video. And you can here is the selection tool, you can simply unselect it, and here you can see it's not detecting here. But if you tap on that, you can select that in every thing here. Just let me show you, just like this. And if you click on that again, so it has just stopped that screen recording here. Again, you can start it by simply click on that play button here or start recording button here. So simply here is more option that will help you to organize your recorder here. Now I'm going to simply click on start recording and confirm what you share. So here is enter screen. So I'm going to select enter screen. Now share. Here is the countdown. So here it is. It started countdowning. So you can simply click on blur content. So you can select it and you can blur anything from here, or you can deselect it, delete it, or from here I'm going to close all my tabs from here, and it's recording, not sure, yes, just like this. Now resume recording, you can minimize it and it will start recording here. You can see it is actually capturing a window here. So if I just use this blur content here, let's see if it's work in this window here. Not actually. So you have to go to your content, so it can actually detect by AI every obstacle and text, and it can blur them. So that's how you can pretty much easily use the Loom screen recorder, and it's powerful feature, and it has some powerful features, and it is a powerful screen recording tool, so it can actually record in a high resolution. So you can simply click on this button to finish your recording here, or you can pause your recording, you can play your recording, you can fast forward your recording here, or you can trim your recording from here. Just simply click on it and you can edit your recording like trimming or anything else. Now from here you can see this is my video. So you can also restart your recording by simply tap on that button here, and it's pretty much cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.